everyone, so this is going to be a slightly different update. I went ahead, I got started on cutting out the quarter panel for fixing the rot that someone did a very poor job at patching, and I'll put the video in here of some of the stuff. Oh man, you guys see this. It is just rotten all the way through. Inner fender liner is just soft. Bolt. Found some earplugs in a bag, so that's cool. All right, before I go any further, I went ahead and I'm probably just gonna cut this section out, fold it up, and then just attach it to the inner part of the trunk so that nothing's falling down in here and make that like that again. I'm going to slowly work cutting out the skin here because I'm trying to make it where I can easily get, a tire in there. So this is a 25.5-inch tall tire, and I struggle to get it in there because if you look, I got a nice portion of tire in there. I eventually plan on running a 28-inch tall, so therefore, if I just cut this out to make it a little bit easier to just, kind of hook it in there, then that'd be awesome. So with all that being said, I went ahead and got started cutting out the mini Hemi-Dart wheel well. And I started to feel like I was in over my head. Questioning how I'm going to bridge the gap from the fender and the wheel well. And after a lot of thinking, I'm going to go ahead and do a DIY wheel tub for the rear end. So what that's going to entail is making more templates out of poster board, which is going to be so much fun. And so we're gonna go ahead and get started with the wheel tub. I do plan on eventually running a 275 60/15, and who knows, maybe even go to even more big boy of a tire later on down the road when this car starts going a lot faster. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut this short here. Y'all take it easy, and I will catch you on the flip side.